good. Almost 9, almost perfect, I see. And you, sir?
He's almost 7.
Well, what's your name, though?
Cooper.
Cooper. Right. Well, Cooper, Alex, and Jackson, I have to explain what we need for a science experiment before we go any further. First of all, as kids, we need to start off with an adult, a parent, or a grown. Thank you. I'll count as that grown up for today. Now, next thing we need is our equipment. I have some equipment for us.
What kind of equipment?
Well, you remember our flask, right? And I have a side, our flask. Remember? This is a round belly flask. It's what happens when a flask gets older. Now, our equipment, our flask and our pan is filled with one of our chemicals, water, and it's warm water. But I have another chemical to introduce you guys to. Don't be scared. It's called soap. You'll start using soap in 7th grade. Not to worry.
I know that.
Would you please take this soap and pour some inside our flask? Now, this soap doesn't come with a rope, so you'll have to control it yourself. Okay, good job. Squeeze some soap in there, please. We're mixing up our soap with our warm water. Oh yeah, that's way too much. Thanks a lot. No, we're good. We're good. Jackson, would you like to put some in there? Okay, good. Soap inside the flask. There we go. When you're done, go ahead and put it back down. Okay, when? Perfect. Now that we have our chemicals together, we need an idea that we're going to test. I have a question for you. Who here likes chocolate milk? Who drinks chocolate milk through a straw? Who uses that straw incorrectly? What do you get when you use the straw incorrectly? Lots and lots of bubbles, right? Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to come over here, please, and I'm going to take my dry ice out. I'm going to put some dry ice inside that flask. Do you know what's going to happen when I put the dry ice inside the flask? The solid is going to become a gas, and it's going to create, for those of you in 4th grade or higher, that's what we call foreshadowing. Now, I'd like someone to put their right hand on this flask, please.
That would have to be Alex.
It won't hurt.
They're cowering in the corner.
I think it might even be fun. Will someone put their wrong hand on that flask, please? It's the opposite of the right. Good job. Jackson, would you like to supervise from back there? Supervise means you watch and tell us we're doing a good job. Or would you like to put your hand on the flask too? All right, you're being a great supervisor over there. I'm going to take some dry ice.
We have a lot of dry ice.
I do. Inside the flask. Now, Alex, since you're the oldest, you're in charge. So if anything goes wrong, it's your fault. Okay?
No, it's your fault.
There we go. Don't make a mess, please. I know we're outside, but come on, we got to keep it under control. Oh my goodness.
It's cold. It's not cold.
It's
okay,
not?
Now it's a little cold.
Oh my goodness.
It's barely cold.
Well.
Okay, now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Can I let go?
You can let go. Come on, here. Why don't you guys take some
Who
bubbles
wants
right off
some?
the top? Jackson, you want some bubbles? Take some right off the top.
Throw at the crowd.
Well, you guys can go take your seats, and I'll bring bubbles around to everybody
Throw
if
it
you
at the
stay in your
crowd.
seats, please.
Who wants me to throw it at them? Who wants me to throw it? Who wants me to
Take some
throw
bubbles
it
right
at
off the top. There you go. Take two handfuls.
Oh my gosh,
And you
it's
see the
still
gas coming out of your bubbles?
Look at this stuff.
Jackson, take some more right off the top.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
how about
I want to do more food. Kind of hot.
Yeah? Well, that's if the water's warm. Would you guys like some bubbles?
It was good, but
More bubbles?
Bye. Could you take the
No more bubbles?
Oh, sure.
Everything else in the shirt.
You want some more bubbles? Good for you. There you go.
This is very much like regular soap.
You're right, it is very much like regular soap. Did any adults want some bubbles.